Hi side hustlers, it's Dumelo Sitlaba here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move an email from your spam or categories folders to your main inbox where you typically read your emails. Now it may not be spam per se that you want to move, but rather an important email from say me for the online program you've just joined, and it's accidentally hidden itself somewhere else. I'm going to start with categories. As you can see in the social category, there's no email for me, but if we move along to promotions, voila, there it is, hidden in the promotions category. So all you do is long press on the email you want to move and drag it to your primary category. Now you'll find it in your main inbox for the rest of eternity. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a test email, and to see the difference, I'm going to add 2 little light bulbs. And if I go back to my inbox and refresh, lo and behold, my new emails from Dumelo Sitlaba are arriving in my main inbox. If the email is stuck in the spam folder, all you simply need to do is open the email and click on not spam, and you're good to go.